The relationship between antibodies and antigens is a critical component of immunohematology.
The antigen acts as a label that the body uses to identify self from non-self and are located on all cells.
Antibodies are proteins produced by plasma cells that recognize specific antigens.
The antibody consists of 2 heavy chains and 2 light chains held together by a disulfide bond.
One of each of these chains forms the paratope, which shapes the Fab, whose shape is specific to a singular antigen.
The antigen has a site at the very end of the carbohydrate known as the epitope. This is the part of the antigen that fits into the Fab region of the antibody. Antigens located on the red blood cells relate directly to transfusion medicine. This is the basis for ABO blood typing.
When an antibody comes across the specific antigen it has affinity for, the two bind to each other.
The interaction between the two are governed by 3 major factors: closeness, non-covalent bonds or intermolecular forces, and affinity for the antibody.
This binding of antigen and antibody signals macrophages to the presence of non-self red blood cells.
Antibodies have multiple Fab regions, enabling them to bind more than one antigen at a time. This allows the antibody to link foreign red blood cells together, causing agglutination.
In addition, this binding will lead to the activation of the complement pathway, resulting in hemolysis.